பிறந்த குழந்தை முதல் 18 வயது வரை உள்ள குழந்தைகளுக்கான இலவச இருதய மருத்துவ ஆலோசனை முகாம் ஆகஸ்ட் 2 வரை கோவை KMCH மருத்துவமனையில் நடைபெறுகிறது. முன்பதிவிற்கு 8754887568.
Came here on 23rd November 2023. It was, rather I should say, it was not a happy moment for me, I am admitting that, because after giving so much to Allahabad High Court, I was unaware of the reason why I was being transferred. I was transferred from Allahabad High Court to Madras High Court, but gradually with the passage of time, I thought that it was very good, because what you want in life and you don't get, it is very good. You pose this question to me, that why you are saying that it is very good. Because of the reason that what you want in life and you don't get, that means God doesn't want that. And always remember, what God will do good for you. The best what can be done, only that God will do. So that way, I was satisfied that I was transferred, and gradually I got intermingled with the lawyers of Madras, people of Madurai, love and affection which I got from all the quarters, from the High Court to my staff, everybody. It was a wonderful journey. I can say that what I haven't got at Allahabad High Court, my parent High Court, I have got at Madras High Court. The love, the affection, and the one thing I should tell you, and you must be feeling that in your life, that you have got 10 friends, but you have memory with only 2 friends. So those are your real friends. Without memory, if you go from somewhere, that means that you had not good time at that place. From here, from Madurai, from Madras, I am going with good memories. I will cherish these days, 1.5 years, above 1.5 years, 18 months, 19 months, that it was a very different kind of experience. I have never felt that I am a first timer to this place. Problem of language was there with me. And the very beginning on 23rd November 2023, while addressing the gathering of my lawyer friends, my brothers and sisters were there in Madras, I had said that I will learn Tamil. But only few words I learned, because something was there that I was not learning this language. I have a very strong passion, very strong love for this language. My daughter, Tamanna, she sings Tamil songs. Vasigara, Vasigara, she sings. So, I am represented here by my daughter. That in spite of this fact that she never knew that I will be transferred to Madras, she is singing Tamil songs before that. So again, I wish and I will pray God that not as a judge, but as a friend of yours, because still sitting in the bench also, I always feel that I am still a lawyer. When I adorned this gown, this coat, I was a lawyer, and I wish and I pray God that I was born as a lawyer and I will die as a lawyer. It is just a marriage of convenience that God was kind enough that He found something in me that He gave me this chair. I never yearned for that, but it came naturally. It was the blessing of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba that I got this chair. But I have never felt that I am not from amongst you. I've always felt that I am from you. And my brother, he's sitting, Mr. Jagdish, he said that crowd is full. That means the popularity. So I am blessed that I am popular enough that this hall is filled today. I am very happy and will be going back to my parent high court, not parent high court, but it is almost a parent high court because Madhya Pradesh, I have very much long and very cherished association with Madhya Pradesh. All my life, even I studied in Madhya Pradesh. I did my law from Madhya Pradesh. So that way God was kind enough that He has sent me to Madhya Pradesh. It is just near my state UP. But again, I will say that what else I can give you, I tried to give everything, whatever I had little knowledge. I don't have much knowledge. You can't say that judge has a vast knowledge. You have better knowledge. That's why the lawyers are called learned advocates, not learned judges, honorable judges. Learned advocate, honorable judges. So you are more learned than judges. Because you interpret law, we are just here to balance that, what is right, what is wrong. God is kind enough that He feels that He is the person who should be made judge, and He will be able to distinguish what is right, what is wrong. That's why God has given this opportunity of handling the cases as a judge. My love, my blessings will always be there with you, to all my loyal friends, brothers and sisters, I am saying. And whenever you feel like, to all my brothers and sisters in the bench also, I am saying this thing in a very loud voice. I am saying, whenever you feel like, don't treat me as a judge. I'm your brother, I'm your father, I'm your son. Whenever you feel like, you come to Madhya Pradesh and you will always be welcomed. Just have my number and I'm just a phone call away. With all my blessings, with all my love, one thing I will say, that in humanity, love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord. May I request Honorable Third Justice Battu Devanand to offer acceptance speech.
My lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, my esteemed sister and brother judges, my brother Justice V.K. Singh, who is also leaving this court along with me, Sri P.S. Raman, Land Advocate General, Sri P.S. Amalraj, Chairman Bar Council of Madras and Pondicherry, Mrs. Ali, Registrar General, Mr. L. Sundaresh, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, State Public Prosecutor, Mr. Edwin Prabhakar, State Government Pleader, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman of Bar Council of India, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman of Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, Land Additional Advocate Generals, Special Government Pleaders, Additional Government Pleaders, Government Advocates and Standing Councils of Government of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry and Central Government, Presidents and members of all Advocate Associations of Principal Bench of Madras High Court and Madurai Bench, Land Senior Advocates and Advocates, Young Advocates, Registrars, Officers and Staff of the Registry, Representatives of the Print and Electronic Media, my family members and well-wishers, good evening to all. Vanakkam. I thank the leader of the bar, Mr. P.S. Raman, for kind words about me. I feel honored for the appreciation you have expressed. Thank you for good wishes. You are all aware I came to this prestigious Chartered High Court on 10th April 2023. I am extremely grateful and feel honored for the affection showered upon me by the members of the bar and the bench. I gained a lot in terms of judicial wisdom by being associated with you to protect the fundamental rights of the persons who knocked on the doors of this court and to enable them to enjoy the fruits of justice. I discharged my constitutional functions without any fear or favor and to uphold the majesty of this court. At this moment, it is my responsibility to thank Honorable Justice B.R. Gavai, Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice Suryakant, Honorable Justice Vikramnath, Honorable Justice D.K. Maheshwari, Honorable Justice Mrs. B.V. Nagaratna, members of the Supreme Court Collegium, for recommending to repatriate me to my parent High Court. I thank the Government of India for accepting the same and notifying my transfer to my parent High Court. My special thanks to Justice M.M. Sundaresh and Justice R. Mahadevan, Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, who treated me as their own brother and supported me in all respects. I thank Justice T. Raja, the then Acting Chief Justice, who administered the oath of office on me as Judge of Madras High Court. I also thank Justice Sanjay Gangapurwala and Justice Sriram, the then Chief Justice of this court, for their support and advices. My Lord, after having interaction for few minutes with you, it is my heartfelt feeling that I missed the opportunity to work with you. I observed in the 2-3 minutes interaction with you, I understand you are knowledgeable, respectable and humble person. I missed that opportunity. Thank you very much. I take this opportunity to thank the staff who worked with me at Principal Bench and Madurai Bench for the last 2 years and 3 months. I thank Ms. Senbaga and Ms. Ananti, law clerks who rendered efficient assistance. I thank personal assistants, court officers, posting staff, office assistants, Bangla staff at Chennai and Madurai for their unwavering support and dedicated work. I especially thank my driver, Tirumalai, and personal secretaries Vivek and Vinay, who are with me from day one to today, and guards at Bangla for their dedication for my safety and security. My heartfelt thanks to Mr. Dhananjay Rao, Joint Registrar of Protocol, Mr. Selvam, Assistant Registrar Protocol, Mr. Lakshmipati and Inbamani, Protocol Officers. Thanks to Mr. Kannappan and their team for rendering timely assistance during medical emergencies. Friends, 2 unfortunate incidents made me very sad during this tenure at Madras. One is sudden and untimely demise of brother Justice Satyanarayan Prasad, sitting judge of this court, who is very affectionate towards me. Second is about brother Justice Adikeshwalu, sitting judge, who is unwell for more than a year. He is my neighbor. I pray for his early recovery. Dear friends, my entry into this legal profession is not by chance or choice. It is my father's desire. My parents are primary school teachers. My father is a strong follower of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, chief architect of our Indian Constitution. Fortunately, I was born on April 14th, which was the 75th birth anniversary of Dr. Ambedkar. At the age of 15, when I passed 10th class, my mother told me that immediately after my birth, my father took me into his hands and expressed his desire to see me as a lawyer. Within a second, I decided to study law to become a lawyer. I am the first graduate in my family. You know the difficulties of the first generation lawyers. By grace of God and blessings of my parents, I reached this stage. Dear friends, on this occasion, I would like to share some of my thoughts with you. Mr. Advocate General, you may be aware of the theory of butterfly. Though I came to Madras High Court in 2023, I believe that my arrival to Tamil Nadu state was decided way back in the year 2016 when a honorable judge of this Madras High Court came to Andhra Pradesh High Court on transfer. His Lordship was the member of the Andhra Pradesh High Court Collegium who recommended my name as Judge of the High Court. In my life, first time, I came to Tamil Nadu state to attend the marriage function of His Lordship's daughter in the month of March 2020. I presume that His Lordship's love and affection towards me brought me to the state of Tamil Nadu. His Lordship is Justice V. Ramasubramanian, former judge of the Supreme Court and present chairman of the National Human Rights Commission. In the presence of this gathering, I express my heartfelt thanks to His Lordships for His Lordship's support, affection and blessings to enable me to discharge my constitutional duties to protect the interest of the common man in the state of Tamil Nadu. And I am confident that I have gained the love and affection of the people of Tamil Nadu. Dear friends, from the bottom of my heart, I want to share my view on one issue. I am very conscious and mindful that it is an accepted principle that transfer is an incident of service. But if any judge is transferred, it is common to look at the transferred judges with suspicion. Don't think all transfers are made on the grounds of corruption, nepotism, and vested interests. It may be for better administration of justice, or some may be for lack of proper feedback from the concerned. But if it is not justified, it would cause irreparable harm not only to that individual, which would drive him to desperation, but also it can uproot his family. But whenever it is found to be unjustified, the honorable members of the Collegium of the Supreme Court, with their wisdom, are reconsidering the same and rendering the justice at appropriate time. For example, two incidents I share now. When I practiced as an advocate in the Andhra Pradesh High Court, there were two eminent advocates elevated as High Court judges. Their lordships are well known for their honesty, integrity, and compassion. They are my favorite judges at that time. After the bifurcation of the Andhra Pradesh High Court into two high courts, they became senior judges in the respective high courts. Within a short span of time, they were transferred from their parent high courts. At that time, as an advocate, I felt that it was unjustified. There was serious protest from the advocates also. With the passage of time, they both were elevated as chief justices of high courts and thereafter appointed as judges of the Supreme Court. During my tenure as judge in the Andhra Pradesh High Court, two honorable judges transferred from their parent high courts to Andhra Pradesh High Court. They have earned the admiration of the public and legal fraternity within a short span of time in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I was the witness for that. Within 1 year, their lordships repatriated to their parent high courts, and thereafter they were directly appointed as judges of the Supreme Court. All these four judges are at present in the Supreme Court because of their excellence, integrity, humility, empathy, and a deep commitment to justice. Out of these four judges will become the Chief Justice of India in 2028. Ladies and gentlemen, I have discharged my last day of judicial function today here in the Madras High Court. In my reply speech to the welcome address of the Land Advocate General and the presidents of the various bar associations on my arrival to this court, I said that as my parent Andhra Pradesh High Court was way back carved out from this prestigious Madras High Court, in a way, I feel like coming into the affectionate arms of a grandparent here from the lap of a parent. I am here with you for 834 days. Now it is the time to seek the blessings from all of you present here and from the people of Tamil Nadu for myself and my family members while returning to my parents' home. Good luck to all of you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.